Hey y'all, welcome back to B-Rad Garage. Just a quick update on the mini keg lamp. Finally got a shade for it. Just went to Walmart and just got a normal replacement shade. It was about $17, $18 with tax. There were smaller ones that were a little bit cheaper. I kind of like this size, as well as the fact it has a little texture. I'll get that plastic off, just wanted to leave it on so y'all could see the tag. And as a reminder, this is a three-way kit. You don't have to get this kit, but we've got low, medium, and high on there. And I do have an LED bulb in it right now. Thinking about maybe switching back to an older style bulb, just kind of more for that kind of bar, kind of old school like. But we've got about $20 in the keg, $12 or so in the kit, and then $18 or so after tax and everything with the shade. So a little bit of math just kind of tells us that that's around 50 bucks. So all in all, I think it was a pretty good project. You don't have to get that type of kit, or you don't have to use a shade. I think it looked fine without a shade, especially if it didn't have the big harp on top. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video, and thanks for coming along on the ride with me. Appreciate it, and y'all don't forget, anything can be rad.